Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning. Robin and I have done our shopping at Bel Air Market today already. I kept a good week. Yes, I did. So last night, originally had planned to do, a very simple pasta dish. Robin got home from Oakland around 5, earlier than we thought, which is a good thing actually. So, actually, I was kind of thinking about pizza earlier in the day, so we double teamed it. Robin ordered it. I picked it up. Papa Murphy's Cowboy Pizza. Yummy. My slices, I drizzled Tabasco sweet and spicy sauce. Oh, yummy. Yeah, great. So on this Sunday, I'm doing Hawaiian Style Teriyaki Chicken. There's a marinade, which turns into a sauce. Yeah, let's get to it. Got the hardware going. It's a wok day. There's the baking dish for the rice. I've got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. There's soy sauce, a little bit of olive oil for the wok, kosher salt, black pepper, some sugar. One of the items that was not actually in the recipe, but I am adding it, is pineapple chunks. How can you have something Hawaiian without pineapple? There's some good ginger. Matter of fact, as you know, I use tube ginger, and Jeffrey Zakarian, or GZ, on the Food Network swears by these wonderful tubes of ginger paste and other paste that the company, because it's quick, it's easy, and it's still good product. I'll also be using some MSG in tonight's recipe. There's some green onion, some garlic. The measuring cup is empty because that will be water, and we'll be having white rice with tonight's dinner. Later in the week, I'll be doing brown for one of the dishes. So that's what's on the schedule for Sunday. Today is actually a garlic day, so I'll be whipping up a new batch of minced garlic. That will be getting tossed. By looking at the date, it's old. I have the garlic, so yeah. We're enjoying the weather here in Sutter County, California. It's been very nice, very nice. The house is all opened up and so forth. So on this Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.